Hey polar bears and YouTube, it got wet and my thermometer's dead. So they got this guy. It's -1 degree C, -1 degrees Celsius, and it rained most of the night. It's just starting to get colder. Whoa, and a slip and fall. 62. 62,000. Come on, light. 471.2. 62,471.2 kilometers. It is super icy. Let's see if I can make it to work. Alright. It's freezing rain. -1 or sitting around 0. I just about dropped the bike putting the kickstand up. Let's see if we can make it to work. That's not too bad. I'm getting some traction. Oh no, I'm not. My lane's a little bit of a grade, as you guys have noticed. Alright, this might not be that bad. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Is it ever slippery? Yeah. Well, I figured I'd record this and see if we go down. Could be a good possibility today. Whew. I hate this shit. Whoa. You fucker. Yeah. I'm going to be late for work today. Just a little, but definitely. I've got my fucking shield up and I shouldn't have. I know the inside's getting wet. I'm not really comfy taking my hand off the bar. The shield's fucked anyway. Alright, the main road should be good. Yep. Woo! That was treacherous. I hate super icy like that. Ice with water on top. I didn't think I was going to get a ride because I come out at 6 and it was +1. And then by 6:30 it had dropped to 0. But of course my thermometer's dead. Whoa. Fuck, that's a lot of ice over there. I hate riding in the center line, but it looks like that's where there isn't the ice. We're just going to take it easy. Ooh, that's too many buses to get run over by. Alright. There we go. Huh. Not too bad. Dude's in a rush to pass. Okay. So I brought my bike cover with me today to work, and my little Gatorade bottle full of salt. I took out of my tank bag. I carry it just in case you fall on the ice. And watching NT8 struggle a bit, or hearing of his struggles, picking that bike up. Got me thinking, and I guess it was Del Boy's Garage who had the idea. Usually I don't carry many Parkles with me, but for my last few tours, because it's been so kind of snowy and shitty, I've had my little Gatorade bottle full of ice. No! Fucking salt! Blah. Good fucking morning. I can see that riding on that ice this morning on the way out, shit, took up all of my brain power. Yep, just killed it. I got fuck all left. I don't think I can vlog. I'm gonna go though. I hope it's not fucking slippery. Alright. There we go. I'm gonna let you guys off. I know that's kind of noisy, sorry. Oh, it looks like a copper up here. Okay, I can see my speed, I'm okay. It is a cop. Haha, gotcha, fucker. I'm doing the speed limit. I'm on 50, so pull out. Pull me over. Dick. Oh. Well, Officer Happy's not going to get me. It's too rainy probably to get out of the car and have to stand and talk to a motorcyclist. Although he probably figures I'll get in the car. Which I absolutely won't. Unless you're putting fucking cuffs on me, dude. You ain't getting in your car. Charge me with something, or I'll stand here with my fucking bike. We're not gonna sit in the car and chat. I ain't that fucking cold. Alright. I gotta get off my rant and pay attention to the road. Whoa! Nothing like falling at the end of a rant. That makes you look stupid. Alright, ending mileage 62,476.4. 62,476.4. I made it to work.